Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the gradients. So you are bored of developing the apps where you just use a single color for the various widgets, and now you're like you want to use something different, maybe a linear gradient or a radial gradient. So if you're thinking that, then you're at the right place. In my channel, I upload tech-related videos ranging from Flutter, Python, encryption tutorials to tech tricks every week. So ready to join me in this journey or curious to learn more? Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to turn on the notification. Also don't forget to like the video. Now hoping that you have subscribed, let's continue. For that we'll just create a simple file here. I'll just drop it down, and here I'll create a new file and name it as, you can name it anything. I'm just naming it as linear.dart. Okay, now I'll import the material.dart, and after that I'll make my class import stateless widget, extend stateless widget, and I'll name it as gradient. Cool. And here this code is returning container, and I'll just keep it in the same way. Now I'll assign the width, and width I'll make it as double dot infinity, and double dot infinity means that whatever the width is available in your device, it will take that much. And you can provide any height, and here I'll use the height as 200, and you even have the option of not using that. Now let us come to it. Decoration. So in decoration we can use the box decoration. We can assign it, and in that we have the option of using gradient. You can see that we have a lot of options like box, shadow, border, radius, and in that we will use gradient. And in gradient we'll assign it with linear gradient, and there now we are free to use the various colors which we want. So let us define the colors that what we want, and in this we will give a list of colors that we want in the gradient effect. So first I'll write colors.yellow, then colors.red, and then colors.pink, and then maybe colors.purple. So you can use as many colors as you want. I'm using 4 here. And then now you have the option of begin and end, and you can assign that as well. So for begin I'll use alignment dot top, left, center, or anything. You can use that, and I'll just use center. And for the end, once again I'll use alignment dot bottom left. So now let us see how this looks, and in order for this to show in our app we need to import this file in main.dart, and you can do that directly by using this. Just check the name, that is gradient, and now type gradient. Okay, now let me change it because there are many gradient files in my folder. So I have named it to gradient 2, so now it will be easy to find that. And now you can just use that, and now you'll see that it has been automatically imported, that is linear.dart file. Now I'll just save it, save both the files. Okay, so now you are seeing a cool effect here, and you can see that all the colors are being used, that is the yellow, red, pink, and purple, a very little amount of it is shown, and you can just change these things and play with it to know more about it. So for example, if you just use bottom right, now let us see that. So what it shows is that our this gradient will begin from bottom right and will end at the bottom left. So after we have saved it, let's see. Okay, so this is the way in which it works, that the yellow color is shown from the bottom right and then it goes to the bottom left. So this is the way in which you use the linear gradient. And now I'll just write it as top left, and this I'll write bottom right. And we also have the option of providing the stop points to this. So this is the way it looks. And now when we provide the stop points by using the stops, so since there are about 4 colors, I'll use something like this: 0.2, 0.4, and then 0.7 and 0.8. So let's see how that looks. So you can see a few changes, maybe that like the stop points have increased, and you can just like increase or decrease the size of various colors you want. So now let us check how to use the radial gradient. So for that you won't need to do much different things. So here I'll just write radial, and now I'll just delete these things and I'll save it. Now you can see that we have a cool effect of a circular gradient, that is yellow and then red and then pink and then finally purple. So that's it for this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe it. Thank you.